It's an absolute honor to have our solutions in this beautiful and iconic home.
People always ask me, how do you feel about coming into this place? I still feel good about it.
Studio House is a well-renowned Olson Kundig project that was built in the 1990s in Seattle, Washington. It was groundbreaking architecture that to this day continues to inspire students and professionals alike. Lutron shades, as well as Ketra dynamic light and beautiful lease controls were installed in this home. We had this amazing opportunity to have this event in the home together with the homeowners as well as with Tom Kundig and several architects from his studio to showcase the Ketra lighting in the space so that the architects could experience the possibilities of the light and transforming the mood and ambiance of that space. It was an honor to have Tom Kundig speak of his design intent and see the house in new light.
The owner was a photographer, and that's the reason we call it the Studio House. This was really a house about light. The entire idea of this room was a light box, whether it was daylighting or whether it was artificial lighting. So I couldn't be happier that this is getting repurposed and retested.
In Studio House, lighting is an integral part of the design. We were really able to maintain the original architectural intent of the lighting, but bring these new solutions and technologies through retrofit. Lutron shades are the perfect solution for this project because they allow for a view to the exterior through the sheerness of the shades, all while protecting the artwork within from too much natural light. Ketra is a great solution for Studio House because it brings dynamic natural light to the space and allows the homeowners to have different moods at different times of day. We did this demonstration where we explored color temperature, dimming, saturated color, vibrancy to really enliven the space and create different moods and experiences. Ketra lighting is very special because it allows us to dim the LED lights as well as transform and change the color temperature at the same time. So it mimics both the natural sun as well as incandescent lights. And we explored a variety of different light transitions, starting with 3000 Kelvin light, dimming it down to that of a warm candlelight incandescent glow, experiencing the natural transition of sunlight throughout the course of the day. Another thing that we explored was the concept of Ketra vibrancy, and we looked at it in terms of how it renders the coloration of the flowers, as well as that of the materials of the space. For example, the mbuya wood on the kitchen cabinets was greatly transformed and changed when we introduced vibrancy to it. We also explored how different color temperatures of light looked on the artwork. The homeowners have a beautiful collection of artwork, and it was important for them for those pieces to be illuminated in the best light. We also delved into the world of saturated colors and how that too could transform the space. The Elise keypads give the homeowner very easy, simple control of their lights and their shades. It was amazing to see the architects who'd studied this house and seen it through photographs actually experience it in person and see the dynamism of light in transforming the space. Lutron and Ketra are great solutions for architectural projects, for retrofit projects like this one, or also for new build and new construction. It's a real honor to have Ketra and Lutron shades in this iconic home and see the house in new light.